Thinking about building a floating dock? You see, back in the day, logs were used as floats. In parts of countries, logs can be in abundance. However, one of the problems to date is that the logs are not as big and accessible as they were back then. Many decades ago, logs were giant. Today, sadly, most logging provides much smaller logs in diameter. Might seem like an easy, cost-effective solution. The reality is far less ideal. Logs may be traditional, but they come with a host of issues that can quickly turn your dream dock into a maintenance nightmare. Logs are naturally buoyant, but over time they absorb water, lose buoyancy, and start to rot. This not only compromises the stability of your dock, but also leads to frequent inspections and costly repairs. You'll find yourself constantly checking for soft spots, cracks, and signs of decay. As logs shift and deteriorate, they create an uneven, unstable surface, making your dock unsafe for walking, fishing, or docking your boat. So I looked up some figures. The average lifespan for untreated logs in fresh water might last anywhere from 5 to 10 years before significant decay, waterlogging, and other issues render them ineffective as floats. In saltwater environments, untreated logs typically degrade faster due to the harsh conditions and marine organisms, potentially lasting only 3 to 5 years. Treated logs do a bit better. In fresh water, the logs that are treated with preservatives to resist rot and decay can have an extended lifespan, almost lasting between 10 to 20 years with proper maintenance. Treated logs in saltwater conditions might have a lifespan of 7 to 15 years, depending on the quality of the treatment and the exposure to marine organisms. Logs can also attract pests like termites, which can further weaken your structure, requiring even more repairs and attention. Ultimately, while logs can serve as a cost-effective and traditional method for floating docks, their limited lifespan and the need for regular maintenance often leads to higher long-term costs compared to modern alternatives like polyethylene floats. That's why Aquamax offers a better solution. Rotationally molded floats made from durable LLDPE plastic. Unlike logs, our floats are designed to provide consistent buoyancy that lasts for decades without the risk of rotting, waterlogging, or pest damage. Aquamax floats are easy to install, maintain, and provide a stable, level surface that's safe and reliable. They're resistant to UV rays, impact, and extreme weather conditions, ensuring your dock remains secure and functional year after year, with no need for constant repairs. Save your logs for the top side of your dock, and choose Aquamax rotationally molded floats for a long-lasting, low-maintenance dock that you can enjoy for decades to come. Our floats come straight from our factory at a savings to you, so if you're looking to save money, use Aquamax floating dock kits. Aquamax, made by boaters for boaters.